Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about continue of last class, that is IPC nomenclature of what halo alkanes. I will tell you just a brief notes about halo alkanes IPC nomenclature. You know well about that the common name is indicate what alkyl halide. Next one is what IPC nomenclature is indicate what halo alkanes. Important, first in this case alkyl will come, first in this case what halo will come. Okay, today I want to discuss about what continue part. Okay, just see here, this is CS3Cl common name and IPC name nomenclature or IPC name, two columns are there. In this case first is CS3Cl is there, first we have to write in the form of what alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means what, this is CS3 is there, no, CS3 is indicate what methyl, which halogen is there, chlorine, methyl chloride. This is the what common name of CS3Cl. What is the IPC name? Chloromethane. First point halogen will come, after that what carbon, chloromethane. Just see here, in this case CH3CH2Br, CH3CH2Br is there. CH3CH2 means what, this is ethane, two carbon is there, eth, that's why in this case common name is what ethyl, ethyl chloride. Sorry, that is what bromide. Bromide is there, no, you have to write bromide. If chloride is there, then you have to write what chloride. This is ethyl bromide. Next IPC name is what, first point is what halogen, that is what bromoethane. Bromoethane is a what IPC nomenclature of what CH3CH2Cl. Next after that the important point is CH3CH3 is there. This is indicate what branched chain is there. Just see here, in this case how many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there, no. This is indicate what branched. This one is what iodine, which iodine is means iodine is what halogens is there. That's why in this case common name is what isopropyl. If branched chain is there, then you have to write isopropyl, isopropyl iodide. Isopropyl iodide is a what common name. Okay, next IPC name means in this case what most important is what this iodine is there, you have to write. That's why in this case numbering start from here, this is 1, this is 2, this is what 3. In second position this carbon containing what iodine, that's why you have to write what 2-ido what propane. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there, that's why in this case what 2-ido propane. Okay, this is IPC nomenclature of what this one. Next example is what CS3 CH3 CH2 Cl is there. Okay, in this case which halogen is present? This Cl is present. How many carbons are there in this case? 4. 1 2 3 4 4 carbons are there. You have to write what butyl chloride. 4 means what butyl. Okay, that's why in this case what butyl chloride. Butyl chloride is a what IPC nomenclature. This is indicate what isobutyl. Why you are going to write iso? This is also what branched chain is there, that's why in this case what isobutyl chloride. IPC nomenclature, this is numbering 1, this is 2, this is what 3. Okay, this is indicate what longest chain. Now you have to write IPC nomenclature. This is 1-chloro 2-methyl propane. Okay, this is important. Why you are going to write 1-chloro? Because of alphabetical order, PUC first year concept, no? Okay, in this case what 1-chloro 2-methyl propane. Okay, branched chain is there, no? Okay, that's why in this case this is a longest carbon. First our duty is we have to select what longest carbon chain. Okay, that's why in this case 1-chloro 2-methyl propane is a IPC no. Next after that in this case CS3 next this is called what Cl. Okay, next in this case just see here, this is what tertiary butyl chloride. Common name is what tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. This is what common name of what this one CH3C. Okay, CH3Cl. Next what is the IPC name? You have to start numbering from here. This is 1 2 3. This is the what longest chain, otherwise you have to select this one is also right. Next IPC nomenclature for this one is what 2-chloro. Next one is what 2-methyl 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. 2-chloro 2-methyl propane is what? IPC nomenclature. Okay, next after that, this is CH3 CH CH2 CH2. Next one is what? CH3. How many carbons are there? Total 5 carbons are there. Okay, before that you have to write what? Common name. Common name means what? Just here this chlorine atom is directly attached to this carbon. This carbon containing one hydrogen indicate what? Secondary. Okay, total how many carbons are there? 5 carbon. That's why you have to write secondary pentyl chloride. Secondary pentyl chloride. Secondary pentyl chloride is a common name of what? This one. Next you have to write IPC nomenclature. Numbering start from here. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't start from here, because this chlorine will get the lowest number according to locant rule. That is most important. Okay, now that's why in this case IPC nomenclature is what? 2-chloro. 2-chloro is there. 2-chloropentane. 2-chloropentane is a what? IPC nomenclature. Next one see here, CH3 here C. Next one is what? Which halogen is there? Chlorine is a halogen. Next after that, this chlorine attached to this carbon do not containing any hydrogen atom, so it is act as a tertiary. Okay, totally how many carbons are there? 5 carbon. Tertiary pentyl chloride. Okay, next after that IPC nomenclature, this is numbering 1, this is 2, 3, 4. IPC nomenclature is what? 2-chloro 2-methyl butane. 2-chloro 2-methyl butane is a IPC nomenclature. Okay, all these are indicate what? IPC nomenclature of what? Some of the compounds. Okay, next important point is what? Classification of what? Haloalkane. So I want to study very simple part is that is what? Classification of what? Haloalkanes. Okay, in this case generally classified 3 types classifications are possible. The first one is what? Primary. Important word, primary haloalkanes. Okay, next one is what? Secondary haloalkanes. Secondary haloalkanes. Third one is what? Tertiary haloalkanes. Okay, another name is what? This is 1 degree. Okay, that is called primary. 2 degree, that is called secondary. 3 degree, that is called what? Tertiary. Okay, first point we are going to study about what? Primary haloalkanes or 1 degree haloalkanes. Example for 1 degree haloalkanes is very simple. This is what? CH3 is there. Next one is what? CH2. Next one is what? CH2. After that this is called what? X. This X is indicate what? Halogen. This halogen is directly attached to what? Carbon. Okay, that's why in this case this one is indicate what? Primary. Most important point. Okay, next example for this one is this X may be chlorine, bromine or iodine. Usually fluorine will not come because of fluorine is a more electronegative element. That's why we are not going to consider. Next, second one is what? Secondary. Example for secondary haloalkanes is CH3. Next one is what? CH. Next one is what? CH3. In this case this is what? Halogen. This halogen is directly attached to this carbon containing only one hydrogen. That's why this one is indicate what? Secondary haloalkanes. Okay, next after that what? Third one, tertiary. Example for tertiary is what? This is CH3 is there. Next after that what's this? C. Next one is what? CH3. Next one is what? This is CH3. Okay, this halogen is directly attached to what? This carbon. This one is indicate what? Tertiary. This carbon do not containing any hydrogen atom. The carbon containing halogen atom attached to this carbon containing 2 hydrogen atom is primary. Next after that the halogen atom attached to directly attached to a carbon, this carbon containing 1 hydrogen, that is what? Secondary. Halogen atom directly attached to a carbon do not containing any hydrogen atom, that is called what? Tertiary. Okay, this is what? Classification of haloalkanes. Okay, thank you.